Welcome to Daily Dose of Petrolheads. Today we will watch Motorcycle Hill Climb Racing 2020 compilation. So without further ado, let's start with this video of two friends trying to ride up a steep desert hill.
Show him how to go on.
He's not going to make it, him on green, he's going to fall off.
No, he won't do, he'll make it, he's a good rider.
Can't even make it.
Oh, he's a good rider, it's alright.
No, he ain't. I think he's going to fall off, Frank. How much you bet, Frank?
I bet he won't fall off.
How much?
They're psyching it out. He's going for it.
Snaking it out.
Oh, yeah. That was a beauty with that.
Oh, yeah!
Ha Lost it.
Frankie, you owe me a drink of Coke.
Oh, no.
Frankie, you owe me a can of Coke.
Yep. Oh, well, he went for it though. He had a bottle to go for it, didn't he?
Well, he fell off, so Frankie, you owe me a can of Coke.
He can do it easy, that guy, can't he?
No, he's just got the skill and potential he needs.
Where's that other lad gone?
He's there, he's turning around to get a bigger run. He knows where he is, look, he's going for it again.
Oh, shit.
Ooh.
Oh, man.
You want me 2 cans of pop now?
Oh.
I like watching old motocross videos such as this one. I have never seen so many motorcycles riding up what looks like a complete vertical climb. This is madness. The Erzberg Rodeo is an Austrian motorcycle enduro event started in 1995 and held annually in May or June. It is the largest of its kind in Europe. For the economically weak region, the Erzberg Rodeo is a growing source of income and is supported not only by the local politics but also the Austrian state of Styria. This is a video of a pair of friends just riding through Badlands, South Dakota. The mountains are steep and looks nerve-wracking. The Impossible Climb is an individual motorcycle race where the competitor faces a natural, unpaved, extremely difficult, more than 45% elevation in general. The goal is to get to the top as quickly as possible, or to climb as high as possible on the slope. Not to be confused with hill climbing, which takes place on traditional uphill roads, and where time is the only discriminating factor. The Impossible Climb would be closer to motocross.
Qui est à l'attaque, qui tente une nouvelle fois l'option à gauche, qui arrive à se sortir de ses 50 mètres. Le premier piège, le deuxième est passé également. Yann Pelletier en tout cas qui est en folie. Meilleur performeur sur les 80 premiers mètres, 50 km/h de moyenne. L'attaque de Julien Perrin qui est dans le bon passage en tout cas. Il est dans les bonnes conditions, mesdames et messieurs, pour aller chercher le top 3 et peut-être le sommet. Tous les services de sécurité, on sait si.
You watched till the end? You're a freaking beast. To support the channel, please subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon.